Hey guys, it's Melissa from Vegan Disney World, and today we're taking you with us to dinner with Chef TJ at Trails End. Trails End is located at Fort Wilderness Campgrounds. There are actually two ways to get there. If you are coming from Magic Kingdom, you can just take a boat. If you're coming from your resort or another park, it'll take you to the front of Fort Wilderness Campground, and from there you'll take an internal shuttle that'll take you all the way back to where Trails End is. When you first meet with Chef TJ, he'll show you around the buffet, but pro tip, don't eat anything from it because you're going to be full anyway.
Salad here, balsamic finger, cucumber salad, mushroom salad, harapam salad, and then kale and other salad there. Okay. Yeah. And this right here. You can have 2 fruit in the bag, applesauce. You can have the corn and the mixed vegetable on the other side.
Mixed vegetable and corn. Okay. Got it.
And you can have the baked potato at the end.
Okay. And we'll skip our problem.
Thank you.
I'm going to enjoy tonight.
This is
Oh, this is new.
artichoke salad with the miso dressing.
That is a big one.
Everything okay? Yeah. Alright, ready?
See, you do it with style. That's why you
If you want some pasta.
Thank you. Those are nachos. For sure.
Nacho with beyond burger crumble. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
What's have you on? So what's have you done?
Okay.
Yeah. Just a little bit, huh?
I'll bring that. You good?
What's this one this time, TJ?
Beef and potato.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
You're so extra. Thank you so much.
Thanks for joining us for dinner at Trails End. I hope that you liked our video, and if you did, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.